Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's a crocheting tutorial for beginners. This mini bag is cute. Let's start now. Magic ring and a knot. Make 8 single crochet into the ring. Close the ring. It's the first round. At the end, slip into the first stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet into every stitch of the first round. Get 16 stitches in total. Next, the fifth round, 30 single crochet. We get the bottom. Now we are going to crochet the body. Chain 1 into the back loop only. Make a single crochet. Next, into the stitch of the fourth round, make a single crochet. Repeat like that. That's the sixth round, 30 stitches in total. The seventh round, 1 long single crochet, 1 normal single crochet. Normal single crochet, long single crochet. Repeat in such regular. From the 8th round to the 13th round, just repeat the 6th and 7th rounds. We get the body next the handles. For a single crochet 1 by 1. Next, chain 10. Skip 7 stitches. Make 8 single crochet 1 by 1. Next, chain 10. Next, for single crochet. Next round, for single crochet 1 by 1. Next 12 single crochet. Next 8 single crochet 1 by 1. Next, 12 single crochet and 4 single crochet. At last, slip into the first stitch. Fasten off the yarn and hide the tail. We get the lovely bag. Thanks for your company.